everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial of GitHub, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can enable the two-step authentications on your GitHub account and enable an extra layer of security to your account. Now in order to do that, you just have to simply find the settings. You can find it on the top right corner when you click over the image icon, your profile picture icon. Once you do that, you're going to see this option of settings. Just simply go to the settings. Once you enter the settings, here in this left window you can see this option which says password and authentication. Just simply tap on this option and wait for it to get loads. And now here you can see a big option of two-factor authentication. Currently it is not enabled yet. It is recommending me to enable it so that extra layer of security will be added to my account. So in order to do that, just simply hit enable two-step factor authentication, and you can add it through various ways. If you want OTP while login over your Gmail account or in any other ways, there will be a second layer of security that is going to be added to your GitHub account.
I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such informative and quick tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.